welcome to Vlogmas Day. I forgot, I'll post it below. But I'm making cookies and Christmas treats. It's after my regular work day, so I'm gonna go into Hobby Lobby right now and just see what they have for my goodies. I always make these treats during this special time of the year. My family loves them, so I have to do it. Anyway, so I'm gonna get the supplies. I wanna get them early because it's not fun if you have to rush around last minute, so I hope you're excited to take this trip with me into Hobby Lobby. I'll try to record a little bit inside. I'm still new at this vlogging thing, so we'll see how well that goes. These were all from the Dollar Tree, and they're $3 here. It's crazy. So I used to buy these all the time, and then I stopped buying them because they take up so much room when I'm like making and storing things. So they are super cute. It's just like, where do I put like 8 or 10 of these? Like, look how much room that takes up. So I opted for the flat packed items again, because when I'm not using them, they just store really easily, nice and flat. I mean, I really like these because they're reusable and I don't have to throw stuff away, but I don't know. I feel like the kids will want to take them home every year. I don't know. Quality's just not there though. I feel like for that you need like an overstuffed pillow. That was the tree skirt I looked at online. We liked it a lot, but we have one in that looks like identical. Of these and I love them. You'll see, but I think it's like this, but it's porcelain instead of metal, which I'm glad I got. And then I have some metal ones, like cast iron looking ones. I just don't remember what they are. A collection. Two-dimensional with all the dog ornaments this year. Looking for a little pug. Oh, they have a girl pug. No. Bubba is very much a little boy pug. see if I can find a little boy puggy. That'd be kind of cool to hang. I always get these. I love them. The little trucks. They're so cute. I think they're so cute this time of year. Let's see if I can find an advent calendar. Little bear. They're so cute. You'll never see them in our trees now. I mean, I like it, but I think I'm gonna build one next year. Cause like, how dinky does it look? I like that. Nice lights too, but what would I put it on? Does it have lights? No, it doesn't have, yeah, it does. There's a Christmas paper. This is generally the kind I like to buy. Let's see. Cute. One of these that says Chummy. I wish it was not bright lights and more warm light. So my mom loves bears, so I'm thinking for my mom. Alright, so I just secured the stuff I needed at Hobby Lobby. I got my treat bags. And of course, I had to get sucked into all the Christmas decor and walk around for 2 hours, wasting time that I don't have to waste at this moment. But I got my treat bags. That's all I'm excited about, and boxes, of course. So it's nice to actually be able to get out and get these items early while I still can. And the pickings are kind of slim. You'll see it in the video. Kind of really slim. So I'm excited. I guess I could do a haul like when I get back to my house. I don't know. Should I do a haul in my car? Vlogmas is interesting for me because this is the first time I'm doing it, so. Okay, I just got home, so let's do a haul. It says $11.99 Christmas ornaments. That's these. Some treat bags. Half off. More treat bags. I plan to make lots of more treat bags. I use these inside my treat bags or boxes to keep the food nice and fresh. I also got this little advent calendar or days till Christmas calendar, so I know what day I am on Vlogmas since it's my first year doing it, but I thought it was super cute. I love the little truck, and of course anything with dogs, I want to buy it. I love it, so yay. And then I got something special. So I got my mom this little snowman. Or no, what is he? Yeah, it's a bear snowman. My mom collects these little bears, and he's half price, so he's like $8. He's so cute. It says Merry Christmas. Yeah, so perfect. Okay, and that concludes today. I got enough stuff. I got a lot of stuff to put up. I bought these from the Dollar Tree a while ago, like when Christmas first came out, and they're pillowcases, and I haven't had a chance to like decorate. As you can see, we have a ton of decorations everywhere that we're gonna put up. That's the next day, hopefully. Bye.